All right. If we take a look at 8b, and we have this solid, we're asked to find its volume, and it's the combination of a pyramid on top of a prism. So we're going to have two volumes here that we need to take into consideration. The first volume is a pyramid, so the volume formula is 1/3 BH, where B, capital B, is the area formula for our trapezoid. So it's going to be 1/2 sum of the bases times the height of that base, that trapezoid, and then the whole thing times H, capital H, the height of the solid itself. And so in this, we were told that the height of our pyramid is double the height of the prism. So the height of the prism is 6. That makes our pyramid a height of 12. So let's see what we have in this calculation. Okay, we have base 1 of 5, base 2, 9. The height of our trapezoid, we don't know that yet, but it's this measure right here. And then the height of our solid was double that of the prism, so it's 12. So let's see if we can find the height of this trapezoid. If I redraw this height to form a triangle, I have a 45-degree angle inside here, so this winds up being an isosceles right triangle. And because this is marked as an isosceles trapezoid as well, this isosceles right triangle on the other side is equal to that. So if we look at this, base 1 is 5. That means this portion of base 2 is also 5. So what's left for these two end caps, these end pieces? Combined, they have to be a total of, the whole thing is 9. 5 of it's already used, so together those other two have to add up to 4. If they're equal, each one's going to be half of 4 or 2. And therefore, in this isosceles right triangle, what's each leg going to have to be? Equal. So the height of our trapezoid winds up being a 2 here. And now we can perform the math. The half and the 2 cancel. 3 goes into 4, or goes into 12 4 times. You wind up with 5 plus 9, which is 14, times 4. 4 times 10 is 40. 4 times 4 is 16. 40 plus 16 gives you 56. So the total volume for that pyramid is 56 cubic units. Let's see what happens with our second volume, the volume of this prism. Okay, the volume formula for a prism is capital B, capital H. So we're again going to have the area formula for a base. A trapezoid is 1/2 the sum of the bases times the height of the trapezoid, all times the height of the solid. And so once again, if we plug in our values for this, we get 1/2. The bases add up to 5 plus 9 is 14. The height we already found to be 2, and the height of our whole solid was 6. And so if we just calculate, the 2's cancel, leaving 14 times 6. Well, 6 times 10 is 60. 6 times 4 is 24. 60 plus 24 is 84. And so if we add these together, we get our total volume. 6 plus 4 is 10. Add that to 80, you get 90. Add that to 50, you get 140. The units are centimeters. It's a 3-dimensional volume, so we're talking about cubic centimeters for our units. Victoria?